Today I'll be doing a quick walkthrough of how to set up and use the Defect Image Generation Skill. AI detection models are the backbone for many visual inspection pipelines used in almost every industry. It's critical that these systems can detect a wide range of anomalies with high accuracy, but this requires high-quality label data to work. Collecting and labeling this data, especially for rare edge cases, is incredibly time-intensive, and if not done correctly, can lead to downstream model failures. With the synthetic data generation agent we'll show today, we'll be able to turn months of data collection and labeling into just a few hours of compute. In this walkthrough, I'll cover how you can get set up with your own agent to generate anomaly images with just a few prompts. To get started or follow along, head to brev.nvidia.com/physicalai. Here you'll find the Defect Image Generation Launchable, which provides a quick and easy way to get started with the skills. I'll quickly create a new instance with the default settings. GPUs, storage, and provider can be customized here based on your needs. Once everything is set, the instance will take a few minutes to boot. And when it's ready, we can launch the interactive Claw Chat UI. Before we can start, we'll need to input a key to set up the agent. If you have an OpenAI or Anthropic key, you can use those here. Otherwise, you can generate a key from builds.nvidia.com. We're now ready to get started. I'll quickly set my default model at the top and paste in a simple setup prompt. Since the defect image generation skills were loaded with the launchable, all we have to do is ask our agent to set up the workflow, and it will automatically know what scripts to run and which models to download. If you haven't set them already, the agent may ask you to provide it a Hugging Face and NGC key. This will allow it to pull the required models and data for the workflow. You can set these manually in the console, or simply paste them into the chat. Once all the setup is complete, the agent is ready to generate data. You can see it even offers a few suggestions of what to start with. This launchable contains pre-trained models and data for PCB, glass, and metal defects. Let's start with generating a bridge defect for a PCB component. Like before, all I had to do was describe the desired defect in natural language, and the agent was able to understand my request and initiate the required scripts. Once it's running, I can see a rough time estimate for the generation. However, to get the most up-to-date status, you can always check the workflow on OSMO. OSMO is the backend tool used by the agent to orchestrate the tasks and contains a history of all your previous requests, as well as useful logs for debugging and updates. Generation finished in about 10 minutes, so we can prompt the agent to show us a sample in the chat. Here we can see the sample input, mask, and generated anomaly. While I only generated one image here, the workflow is set up for large-scale generations as well, making it incredibly easy to create varied defect datasets for not just PCB, glass, and metal, but custom use cases for your own model. And that's all for the walkthrough. I highly encourage you to try out the workflow yourself to see how you can generate images to improve your models. Thanks so much for watching.